Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to download code from Lovable AI. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is head on over to lovable.dev and then sign into your account. Now once we've signed into our account, we need to click onto all projects. Now find that project you'd like to download code from. So I'm going to choose this weight loss tracker application. Then from here, we want to go ahead and click on the GitHub icon at the top. So sync your project to GitHub and then go ahead and click on to connect GitHub. Now from here, we want to go ahead and connect our project. So choose our organization. I've got it connected here. If it doesn't, just go ahead and click on add your GitHub or something similar. So I'm going to click that and now confirm transfers to two-way sync. Click on transfer anyway. So you're moving the only instance of this project to your GitHub organization. This means the project will now go live. All right, so now once we've done that, then from here, we want to go in and click on view on GitHub. Now to download code, basically click on the green code button, the drop down, and click on download zip. And that's going to download all your code inside of that zip file. So just go to your downloads and then it's going to be a folder. Go ahead and open up that, and then your code is all downloaded inside of that zip.